Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. I am currently in a penny stock day trade in ticker DRUS. I bought 100,000 shares. My average is 0.0085. I am currently up $490. So let me go back here and show you guys where I got in at. So I got in, right back here. Actually more so right up here at the beginning of the day. And if you have taken my free stock trading course that is in my playlist, you'll know why or how I found this stock. So if you end up watching this video and look into that free stock trading course, I recommend you follow those videos in order, because skipping through them will not benefit you in any sort of way at all. You'll miss out key information that are in some of the videos. So I bought in right here, and honestly it was a horrible entry because it dropped way down here. But with the way my scanner and everything works, it usually picks up stocks that have an interest behind it, with that momentum, and it will usually go green again for me. So this one has just been outstanding today. It just kept stepping up the whole day, and here we are, we're at $500 profit now. I may sell this one before the day ends. I'm not 100% sure yet, just because it's going so well for me. But I might actually swing trade this. So in no way am I saying for you to buy into this, because chances are you might have missed your play. I'm not an investor, so holding on to this, looking for higher profits, means nothing to me, to be honest with you. I'm a day trader, I'm a swing trader. I like to lock in my profits and walk away. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up and check out that playlist for my free course. There's 2 different playlists for 2 different styles. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.